How are you all doing? Welcome back to Crypto Blitz, where you can get all of your cryptocurrency needs met. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, your host. I hope that today is fantastic for everyone. It's Thursday. Christmas on December 26th is over. I hope that everyone had a wonderful Christmas. I hope that everyone is preparing for the upcoming year. I hope you are not in a rush to return to work and that you have time off until the new year. You're going to need some alone time, so take some time for yourself. We have been anticipating this episode for a while because of what is going to happen to the cryptocurrency markets in the new year. We will be discussing Bitcoin XRP. We will discuss the top 5 cryptocurrency companies that stand to gain the most from President Trump's election. Additionally, we will discuss the 2 enormous triggers that will propel these cryptocurrency markets to unprecedented heights. Without further ado, take a seat back and unwind. I hope your coffee was good and hot. I am certain that I do. Let's get started with $95,693 in Bitcoin. In the last day, it has dropped 2.61%. The price of Ethereum is $3,373. Right now, it is down 3.35%. In contrast to USDC, which is trading at $1 and XRP USDT is trading at 99 cents. A mean lean $2.19 is what it is. In the last day, it has dropped 4.25%. Total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, $3.3 trillion. The range in which we are sitting is extremely stable. Bitcoin has a range. As we have stated, the range of 90 to 100,000 will be enormous for Bitcoin. Although we haven't yet, we will soon. 2025's first quarter. Now, what are they doing? The markets are being manipulated by them. The price of Bitcoin is being manipulated by them. They are not yet prepared for a breakout. We're about to see this breakout. It's long overdue and will be a significant breakthrough. We will test 115 after Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high of about 108,000. The floodgates open and it's game time after 115 is broken. When Bitcoin has that parabolic blow-off peak, the entire market will be rising as it prints its heavenly light candles. This will lead to the most crazy coin season you have ever seen, following tax season. Keep in mind the basic bullish strategy until tax season, followed by a pullback and a parabolic off high. The playbook that has always been a playbook is that one. On this channel, we have been preaching that. January will see 2 significant occurrences that, in my opinion, will serve as the impetus for the commencement of this bull run. First, President Trump takes office. Less than 3 weeks separate us. Finally, Gary Gensler will be departing the SEC. As Gensler leaves, this will be a trigger for him. We have someone who we know will be pro-crypto who will take over the SEC. How can we tell that Trump is all about cryptocurrency? A crypto czar has already been appointed by him. He has additional crypto-focused employees working under the czar. They recognize the possibilities, the advantages, and the significance of this race. And once the U.S. gets the all clear they want the U.S. to lead, there will be a massive influx of capital into these cryptocurrency exchanges as soon as the U.S. notifies the institutions that it is safe to enter the market. They have made this extremely public, so it is no secret. Large organizations like Goldman Sachs have come out and said that between 3% and 10% of everyone's money, including the ordinary public, should be invested in cryptocurrencies. Yes, they just mentioned Bitcoin, but we know that when people hear the term crypto, those who are not familiar with the markets are unaware of the thousands of other cryptocurrencies that are out there. That keyword is Bitcoin. They first introduce you to Bitcoin, after which they gauge interest and do their own study. They begin their studies. They begin dispersing money after examining the top 10 cryptocurrencies available. As a result, if institutions are expected to contribute 3 to 10%, this market will be inundated with trillions of dollars. By being finished, this bull run will not be completed. We're not even near each other. This hasn't yet blown off the top of Bitcoin. The value of altcoins has not skyrocketed. A minor retracement, but bullish till tax season. Around tax time, many folks will leave because they think the bull cycle is over. We will then witness these altcoins reach previously unimaginable heights as the cycle regains pace and enters its parabolic phase. These 5 cryptocurrencies will soar in Donald Trump's second term. One important one is in here. I wish to draw attention to. They discuss HBAR since the beginning. We have been discussing and advocating for HBAR. A sleeping giant is HBAR. They are supported by extensive relationships. It is trading at the moment. If I had to guess, it's probably between 25 and 30 cents, if I haven't looked at the HBAR chart in a while. Since the beginning, we have been contacting HBAR. Look at that, it is. Didn't need to see it. It is approximately 30 cents. It's a 6x. By being done, it is nowhere. I made a 50-cent call on this. Is it able to rise? 100%. Will it increase to 50 cents? I really think it will. This bull cycle, I think HBAR has every chance to hit 75 cents to a $1. Those are just really conservative figures, and it is still very early. It is at an all-time high, 56 cents, peanuts, and nothing at all. According to xrp Crypto, unless one of these two situations occurs, all we have with XRP is a lot of noise. The first scenario's crucial level to keep an eye on is $2. According to him, there would be a guaranteed break here before moving on to the lower targets. We do not want XRP to fall below $2. It is around $1.86. We previously showed you the XRP chart. Additionally, we got this out in 265 at 272. It will tell us that the fireworks will be lit and the celebration can begin. I'll blow this up. You proceed to targets there. He had $1.96 right where our aim is on it, and he got the breakout $2. 164, 137, and $22. We don't want to get to those levels, but if we do, don't freak out, the recovery will still happen. A 10x still places us in the double-digit range even. If we drop all the way to $1.22, we will see a $3 to $4 XRP very quickly if we can hold $2 and keep moving up and above 272. Following that, it opens the door for XRP to range from $15 to $30, with $24 being the sweet spot. All of this will occur in 2025. We XRP holders who are out of the entire market and the most deserving of seeing XRP lead this bull run, lead the bull cycle, and have the highest gains will realize their dream if we can hold on to this $2 range through the end of January. Just keep it over $2. Although it is really $1.96, there is a 4-cent discrepancy. It might be referred to as $1.96 to $2. We should maintain that level. Let's keep up this effort. Let's raise XRP to between $15, $20, and $25. The charts on this have already been shown to you. This might very well happen. Why do we say that? I see 3.5 trillion more coming from here if we're looking at 7 trillion in cryptocurrency. Additionally, XRP achieves a minimum market capitalization of 6%. Additionally, it secured a 6% market cap domination in 2017. In 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, alleging that XRP constituted a security. As a result, XRP was delisted from all U.S. exchanges, including some foreign ones. At the very least, we will achieve a market cap dominance of 6%. That provides us with roughly $6.50 XRP at the very least. The fun begins if we witness that parabolic explosion at the top, like we did in 2017, when we achieved market cap domination of up to 20%. People, we're looking at a $15 to $30 XRP when we get up there. $15 to $30 in XRP. This is the chart. This chart is visible. Just yesterday, the chart was begging for a short at the $2.30 price levels. It provided you with your take profit entries, which should have ranged from 226 to 221. We are seated at 218, as you can see. It suggests that you should have entered XRP at about 219 with a stop loss at 215, where we received a great medium-sized support at roughly $2.13. If you go back even 2 weeks to the videos from last week, you can see what we discussed on the XRP price chart. We are essentially in the same area that we were examining. Having a hold here would be wonderful. A bounce up here would be fantastic.